everyone, my name is Safa Salsabila. In this video, I will explain how a login authentication system works. This topic is very important because almost every digital service, such as websites, mobile apps, and online platforms, use a login system to protect user data. In this presentation, I will describe the workflow step by step and explain the system components involved. A login authentication system is a process that verifies whether a user is who they claim to be. It usually involves two main elements, a username and a password. But behind the scans, there are many components working together, such as the client, server, database, and authentication module. Login authentication process. Step 1. Credential input. The process begins when a user enters their username and password into the client interface. This information is the starting point for the entire authentication flow. Step 2. Send and validate. The credentials are sent to the server. The server performs initial input validation to ensure the data is formatted correctly. If invalid, the server sends an error message. Key concept hashing. The server does not compare the password directly. The input password is converted into a secure hash value. This is a one-way process. The hash cannot be reversed into the original password. Step 3. Hash comparison. The server retrieves the stored hash from the database created when the user registered. Then the new hash from the login input is compared with the stored hash. Step 4. Verification result. No match. If the hashes do not match, the server responds with login failed. Access is denied to protect account security. Match. If the hashes are identical, the user identity is confirmed. The system processes to the next step to grant access. Step 5. Login successful. Upon success, the server creates a unique session token. This token is sent back to the client and used to identify the user in subsequent requests, keeping them securely logged in. The login authentication systems involve several components: client or user interface, server, database, authentication module, security layer. First, the user opens the login page and enters their username and password. At this stage, the system only collects the input but does not validate it yet. Step 2. Then the client sends the login request to the server through a secure channel using HTTPS. This ensures that the credentials are not exposed during transmission.
Next, the server checks whether the input format is valid. For example, it checks if the username exists and if the password file is not empty. If the input is invalid, the server immediately returns an error. After that, the server has hashed the password using a hashing algorithm such as BCRYPT. Hashing ensures that the system never stores password in plain text. Then the server retrieves the stored hash from the database. If the username is found, the server compares the stored hash with the hash of the submit password. If the two hashes match, the system authenticates the user successful. But if they do not match, the system sends a login failed message. Finally, when the login is successful.
To conclude, a login authentication system is a secure process that verifies a user's identity. This workflow ensures that only authorized users can access the system. Thank you for watching my presentation. Bye bye.